Good day, everyone. We are the group number 4. Together, we have gathered insights to provide a comprehensive overview about our topic, which is the artificial intelligence or chatbots. Our presentation aims to provide insights into how these technologies are shaping the future of hospitality settings. Our presentation will cover key topics such as the introduction to hospitality and current challenges, the definition of artificial intelligence or chatbots, the functions of artificial intelligence or chatbots, the characteristics of artificial intelligence or chatbots, and lastly, the bad and good effects of artificial intelligence or chatbots in hospitality industry. In the hospitality industry, where personalized experiences and seamless client interactions are crucial, the combination of artificial intelligence and chatbots has emerged as an innovative trend. As hospitality firms attempt to meet customers' changing requirements and expectations, they are increasingly turning to AI-powered solutions to boost productivity, improve service quality, and provide memorable experiences. AI chatbots have transformed the hospitality sector by offering efficient and personalized client assistance around the clock. These virtual assistants are intended to interact with guests, answer questions, make reservations, and provide recommendations, so improving the overall guest experience. Furthermore, the rise of online booking systems and review sites has provided guests with more options and transparency, raising expectations for seamless and frictionless interactions at all points of their journey. To meet these expectations, hospitality firms must effectively use technology to optimize processes, anticipate guest demands, and provide personalized experiences that set their brand apart in a competitive market. AI chatbots are extremely useful in the hospitality industry for optimizing processes, lowering expenses, and improving customer satisfaction. They can handle a considerable number of questions at once, allowing all of employees to focus more on complex works. Additionally, AI chatbots can provide quick responses, resulting in faster service delivery and enhanced overall customer satisfaction. Despite their numerous advantages, AI chatbots in hospitality experience some challenges. One of the primary issues is ensuring that the chatbots are capable of handling a wide range of requests and scenarios appropriately. To effectively respond and interpret to varied guest interactions, the chatbot's natural language processing capabilities must be trained and improved on a regular basis. Another challenge is achieving a balance between automation and human interaction. While AI chatbots are efficient and convenient, some clients may prefer human connections for more personalized service. Finding the right balance between automated responses and human intervention is critical in providing a great client experience. Furthermore, data privacy and security are important considerations when using AI chatbots in hospitality. Because chatbots collect and store data on guests, it is critical to install strong security measures to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. Overall, AI chatbots have altered the hospitality industry by providing seamless customer service and increased operational efficiency. However, solving challenges such as improving conversational abilities, balancing automation with human touch, and ensuring data security are critical to the effective integration of AI chatbots in hospitality settings.
Now, I will discuss the artificial intelligence and chatbots. So first, what is artificial intelligence? The artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think like a human and mimic their action, from the most simple to those even more complex. The goal of artificial intelligence include learning, reasoning, and perception. As technology advances, previous benchmarks that define artificial intelligence become outdated. For example, machines that are calculated basic function or recognize text through optimal character recognition are no longer considered to embodied artificial intelligence, since this function is now taken for granted as inherent computer function. AI is continuously evolving to benefit many more industries. Machines are wired using cross-disciplinary approach based in mathematics, computer science, linguistics, psychology, and more. Now, let's define what is chatbots. Chatbots, also called chatterbots, it is a form of artificial intelligence used in messaging app. These tools help add convenience for customers and businesses because it's automated program that interact with customers like a human and would cost little to nothing to engage with. Chatbots attend customers all the time, all the day and weeks, are not limited by the time or physical location. This makes its implementation appealing to a lot of business that may not have even manpower or financial resources to keep employees working around the clock.
Why is artificial intelligence becoming important in hospitality industry? Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in the hospitality management, primarily because of its ability to carry out traditional human function at any time of the day. This potentially means hotel owners can save significant money, eliminate human error, and deliver superior services. In particular, customer service is a vital part of the travel industry, with hotels often living and dying based on how they treat their customers. With artificial intelligence, the possibilities for improving this aspect are almost endless. Now, let me elaborate the benefits of using AI or artificial intelligence in hospitality industry. 1. Improving revenue. While AI can't replace the human touch in the hospitality industry, AI-powered tools can handle many of the tasks traditionally undertaken by staff. AI-powered tools can handle many of the tasks traditionally undertaken by staff. Many back-office tasks can be automated, reducing human error, increasing efficiency, and freeing up staff for more important work. Second, improving customer experience. Artificial intelligence can enhance the customer experience, especially through personalization. AI solution can make it much easier to record and update customer preferences. AI facilitates detailed record keeping, helping to track previous purchasing patterns, likes and dislikes, the service the guest has used in the past, their level of satisfaction, and more. AI solution can also assist in upselling by suggesting additional purchases that might interest the customer. This detailed metadata is useful in creating the best experience for every guest. Third, increasing operational effectiveness. Artificial intelligence can play a beneficial role in operational effectiveness. Data management in the hospitality industry can be challenging. AI can help here. Data is collected at many different points throughout a hotel, from POS to PMS, as well as from the interaction between the guest and staff, requests, comments, complaints, order for food, etc. The fourth one is chatbot and messaging. The most obvious way those within the hospitality sector can deploy artificial intelligence is front-facing customer service. In particular, the technology is extremely effective for direct messaging and online chat services, responding to simple questions or requests. For example, AI chatbots have been utilized on social media platforms, allowing customers to ask questions and get almost instantaneous responses 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. This is invaluable to hotels because it provides the type of response times that are almost impossible to maintain with human-to-human interaction. Fifth, voice-based digital assistants. Artificial intelligence has produced a lot of useful technologies, including major advancement in the field of voice recognition. Many people are now accustomed to voice-activated technologies in the home and on their mobile devices, such as digital assistants. This technology can be developed even more effectively in the hospitality industry. Voice activation can be embedded in all kinds of devices, from a guest smartphone or laptop to a tablet provided by the hotel. With this system, a guest can adjust in their air conditioning or heating in the room, turn on the TV or stereo, order room service, or contact the front desk. And lastly, the digital concierge. A digital concierge is a guest communication system powered by AI. It is superior to a chatbot because it can understand context cues and keywords. For example, a digital concierge can distinguish between turn up the air conditioner and why isn't the air conditioning working. Request the digital concierge can be sent to the relevant department, such as housekeeping. Digital concierge services allow guests to receive immediate assistance whenever needed, all without hiring additional staff. This can significantly improve a guest experience.
Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, has several key characteristics that define its capabilities and functions. This includes number one, learning. AI system can learn from data and experiences, improving their performance over time. This learning process can be supervised, unsupervised, or semi-supervised. Number two, adaptability. AI can adapt to changing conditions or new data inputs, making it flexible in various environments and scenarios. Number three, reasoning. AI can process information and draw inferences and apply logic to solve problems and make decisions. Number four, pattern recognition. AI excels at recognizing patterns in data, which is the foundation for tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Number five, autonomy. Some AI systems can operate independently, carrying out tasks without direct human intervention. Number six, problem solving. It can analyze data, identify issues, and find solutions to problems, often using complex algorithms and models. Number seven, efficiency. AI can process large amounts of data and perform tasks more quickly and efficiently than humans. Number eight, scalability. AI can handle increasingly large data sets and more complex tasks as computing power and data storage capabilities grow. Number 9. Natural language processing. AI can understand and generate human languages, enabling communication with users through speech and text. Number 10. Perception. AI system can interpret sensory information such as images, sound, and text, allowing them to recognize object, speech, and data types. Ethical considerations. AI development and use raise ethical questions related to fairness, bias, transparency, and privacy. Responsible AI practices aim to address these concerns. Number 12. Automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing the need for human intervention and potentially increasing efficiency in various industries. AI systems can vary in their capabilities depending on their design, the quality of the data they are trained on, and the specific algorithm they use. These characteristics help define the different types of AI and their applications.
What is an artificial intelligence strategy? An artificial intelligence strategy is simply a plan for integrating AI into our organization so that it aligns with the broader goal of a business. A successful AI strategy should act as a roadmap for this plan. Depending on organizational goal, the AI strategy must outline the steps to effective use to AI to extract deeper insight from the data, enhance efficiency, build a better supply chain or ecosystem to improve the talent and customer service experience. A well-formulated AI strategy should also help guide tech infrastructure, ensuring the business is equipped with the hardware, software, and other resources needed to effective AI implementation. And since technology evolves so rapidly, the strategy should allow the organization to adopt new technologies and shift into industry. Ethical considerations such as bias, transparency, and regulatory concerns should also be addressed to support responsible deployment. And artificial intelligence continue to impact almost every industry. A well-crafted AI strategy is imperative. It can help organizations unlock their potential, gain a competitive advantage, and achieve sustainable success in the ever-changing digital era.
There are good and bad effects of using AI chatbots in the hospitality industry. Good effects of using AI chatbot in the hospitality industry. First, operational efficiency. Sabi kasi nila dito, mas mabilis na ang gamit ng AI chatbots sa pag-process ng operation and administration na automate kagad ng gawain, lalo na improve ang resource management. Kaya, nababawasan na ang pangangailangan ng paggawa ng manual na mga gawain ng mga staffs, mga human errors, at mas paikli ang oras or mapanadali na lang ang mga gawain ng mga staff. Kaya dahil sa AI, mas naging efficient and productivity. Example, kapag nag-i-inquire ang client sa website, ang AI chatbots ay nag-respond kagad. Second, reduce costs. Sabi dito, name limit na daw, ang AI ay mas nabawasan na ang gastos lalo sa mga staff kasi konti na lang pwedeng magtrabaho, kaya bawas gastos sa pagsahod sa kanila. Nakakatulong or nagbibigay ito ang AI chatbot sa pag-decision making based sa kanilang real data insights at pagbabawas ng mga hindi kinakailangang gastos sa pangmatagalan. Pangatlo, improve customer service. Sabi dito, ang AI chatbots kaya niya mag-provide ng 24/7 sa mga sinusuportahan ng customer. Example, kapag hindi online yung staff para mag-reply agad sa mga nag-i-inquire customer, ang maaaring paraan upang mag-response kagad sa mga nag-i-inquire ng customer ay si AI chatbots ang nakatulong upang mag-reply kagad. Alam na kasi nila yung mga possibilities na gagawin nila dahil may nakaprogram sa kanila. Example din na kapag nasa isang hotel ka at mayroong app ang isang hotel na yun para i-chat ang AI chatbots, kung gusto mo malaman kung ano yung mga breakfast menu na available ang meron sila. Kaya ang AI chatbots ay i-reply ka at sasabihin sa'yo kung ano yung mga available na meron sila. Kung gusto mo naman magpalit ng fresh towel, i-chat mo lamang siya at sabihin ng AI chatbot sa mga nakaka-assign housekeeping para dalan ka nila ng mga fresh towel sa iyong room. Pang-apat, multilingual support. Sabi dito, ang AI chatbots kaya nilang makipag-usap ng iba-ibang lingwahe. Kung hindi familiar ang lingwahe na iyo, ay may option naman na pwede mong maaari palitan or magsabi ka kung ano yung lingwahe na kaya nila palitan para mapalitan at iyong paggagamitin ng language para mas madali at mas naiintindihan ng mga customer ang kanilang sabihin. Kaya nakakatulong ito at naging efficient talaga ang AI para sa mga international travelers. And lastly, data collection and analysis. Nagko-collect tayo ng mga data collection and analysis ng mga available data. Example, sa Google website, nag-search tayo about hotel. Syempre, may lalabas doon ay pinakamagandang hotel. Dahil sa room availability, mga amenities, mga maganda daw yung pool, libre daw yung breakfast kapag nag-check-in ka doon, mukhang mamahalin pero mura lang, malapit lang daw doon mga local attraction at iba pa. Siyempre, ang customer nahihikayat sila magpabook. Kaya nakakatulong ang AI chatbots kasi nalalaman nila ang mga preferences at behavior ng dati nilang customer. Kaya, they can predict to improve service. Magbigay pa ng mga suggestion sa internet kung saan magandang puntahan, kainan, at iba pa para mas madali mag-decision agad ang mga customer. Kaya tayo may online reviews, diba? Mga feedback kung may mga bad reviews. So we aware na iwasan natin ito and we can improve that. Bad effects of using AI chatbots in the hospitality industry. First, job displacement. Kaya naging bad effect ito dahil madaming matatanggal or mababawasan na ang mga trabahador kapag nag-increase na ang mga AI and learning machine technology. Kaya mga AI na gagawing empleyado imbis na mga staffs. Second, data privacy concerns. Kasama na dito yung mga security risks. Ang AI chatbots ang mag-handle ng mga sensitive guest information like credit card data, personal identification data, and booking preferences at iba pa. Anumang security sa chatbot ay posibleng maaaring humando hindi outdated sa pag-assess sa confidential guest data, putting guests at risk of identity theft or pagloloko. Mga data handling, posible itong mag-leak ang iyong data, unauthorized sharing ang iyong information, or improper usage of personal details, violating guest privacy rights, mga compliance with regulation para mag-protect ang iyong data. Kapag with failure ito, pwede ireklamo, mga third-party assess at iba pa. Panghuli, technical limitation. Siyempre, hindi ito maiwasan magkaroon ng technical issues or misunderstood guest queries dahil limited lang ang may kakayahan ng AI chatbots. Kapag nagkaroon ng misunderstood guest queries, pwede maaaring hindi masatisfied dahil sa service nila. Sa communication errors, pwede ma-delay yung pag-response, repetitive or irrelevant ang pagsagot ng AI chatbots sa mga customer. Kulang sa flexibility, kulang sa human touch, at iba pang pwede unexpected na pwede mangyari to hindi masatisfy ang isang customer.
The traditional chatbots are more like the friendly receptionists at your local office. They are reliable for handling basic tasks and providing standard responses, but they may not understand nuanced requests or remember your preferences. While they are simpler to set up and maintain, they lack the personal touch and adaptability of AI counterparts. However, the AI chatbots, like a highly skilled personal assistant, they are great at understanding your needs, learning from your interactions, and providing tailored assistance. Just like a real assistant, they can adapt to new situations and handle complex tasks with ease. The importance of chatbots powered by AI, they are excellent at deciphering natural language, picking up knowledge from conversations, and responding in a tailored manner. However, the traditional chatbots, they offer consistent replies, are easier to build and deploy, and are affordable for simple jobs. Choosing between AI chatbots and traditional chatbots depends on factors such as the complexity of tasks and the level of personalization required.
AI chatbots are ideal for applications where accurate, understanding, and personalized responses are crucial. While the traditional chatbots are suitable for simpler tasks where cost effectiveness and consistency are priorities. Both types of chatbots have their place in the realm of automation and customer service, offering solutions tailored to different needs and requirements.
Ipapakita ko sa inyo isang mga pamansambol na AI chatbot. Pinag-demo ito kung paano ginamit or mag-chat sa WhatsApp with AI chatbots which is powered by RapidBot. Kung isang customer ay magpapabook or magpapareserve sa resort or hotel, maaari lamang i-chat para makuha ay yung mga details information kung kailan ka pupunta, kung ilang days ka lang stay at iba pa. So let's see the video kung paano.
The world of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing the hospitality industry, where we will uncover the advantage of AI and how it's changing the game for hotels, restaurants, and travel experience. Imagining arriving in the hotel where your needs are anticipated even before you step inside. That's the power of AI. With AI, hotel can now personalize the guest experience like never before. Smart algorithms analyze data such as previous stays preference and online interaction, allowing hotels to tailor services to each individual guest, from personalized room temperature setting to curated recommendation for local attraction. AI ensures a delightful and unique stay. Gone are days of waiting for a hold assistance. Now, AI-powered chatbots are available 24/7 to provide instant responses to guest inquiries. They can handle routine tasks like concierge request room, reservation room, service orders, and even suggest a nearby restaurants. AI streamlines operation, improves efficiency, and reduce costs in the hospitality industry. Robots equipped with that AI can assist with the tasks such as room cleaning, luggage handling, and food preparation. This tireless machine not only increase productivity but also free up human staff to focus on delivering exceptional guest experience. AI algorithms crunch massive amounts of data, including market trends, competitors' pricing, and historical guest booking patterns to optimize pricing strategies. Hotels can dynamically adjust room rates to maximize revenue with ensuring competitive process. It's a win-win situation from both hotels, guests, and AI, has a significant improved safety and security in hospitality industry. With advanced technology, hotels can quickly identify guests and employees, enhancing security measure. AI also monitors suspicious activities and alerts security personnel in real time. And there you have it. The advantages and strategies use of hospitality industry using AI and chatbots. From AI-generated video,
That clones your voice.
artificial intelligence is reshaping the world. Today, it is now available in different apps like WhatsApp, Google Assistant, chatbots, ChatGPT, Siri, and many more. It's not just an app. It is your personal assistant, image editor, and an endless information. But how? So let me show you the top 5 uses of AI and chatbot tools.
Hello.
I can speak English or Arabic. How can I help you today?
I would like to check in, please.
Great. I can help you with that. Do you have the confirmation email with a QR code with you here?
Yes, it is.
Thank you so much. Your room is on the 7th floor with a great view of the city. You are now checked in and the app works to unlock your room. I can see that your reservation includes 3 other people. Are you here with your family?
Absolutely. We are here with our kids.
We are really happy to have all of you stay with us.
Thanks. Where are the elevators?
No problem. The elevators are just here. To my left.
Oh, and can you recommend any good sushi restaurant around here?
Yes. I really like a little place called Osaka, which is about a 10-minute walk away. Prefer me to book you a taxi.
No, I'd like to.
Fantastic. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's it. Thank you so much.
I'm here to help at all times. Goodbye.
This is Rapid Response Monitoring. Leave the property immediately.
I've been searching for answers for hours, but I can't seem to find what I'm looking for. What if I could talk to someone who knows exactly what I need? With ChatGPT, finally get the answers I need, fast and easy.
With ChatGPT by OpenAI, you can access the power of advanced artificial intelligence and get the answers you need when you need them. No more frustration, no more wasted time. Just instant answers to help you work, play, and live better. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Your instant answer to everything.
Alexa, turn on the light. Alexa, open the curtain. Alexa, play a music.
Fits wherever. Shelf fits. Table fits. Studio chill vibes late nights fits. Compact speaker just us. Alexa, when did that happen? Play my favorite song. Ask what you imagine. Music fits. Shopping fits. Timers, reminders. Dance break.
This is a big deal because we can use this app in our everyday life.
But in the end, these AI features are just tools. They aren't meant to replace you or your friends.
They aren't meant to help us to improve or be productive in our everyday life.
1, 2, 3. Is that a robot? Let's go!